Everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs. It's keeping your actor based in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin reaction video ang Kim Pao compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out kung anong meron sa Kim Pao ngayon. Ay, ano to? Kaya ba nating anigan? Anong meron? Anong meron dito? Aninig ba natin? Andiyan pa si Paolo? Andiyan ba? Si Kim lang yung nakatalikod eh. Parang si Kim lang yung nakatalikod doon for today's video. You know what I mean?
Kung hindi ka artista,
Ay,
what would be your dream?
housewife nga ni...
Probably an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Nung bata kasi ako, pangarap ko maging teller. Yung taga-bilang ka ng pera.
Ito talaga.
Pero masakit pala yun. Hindi mo pera, hindi mo. Gusto ko na lang,
Atake ka dyan, Kim.
Hello?
Ay,
Last question. Kayo na ba?
ay.
Wala, super naman yun.
The question is answerable by yes or no. Actually, hindi na kailangan yan. Hindi na kailangan yan.
Pero kailangan ko na muna tanongin.
Ay, gusto mo na ba? Ay, okay. Ay, atake. Sino yun? Anyways, cutie ni Kim Chiu. Tingnan natin si Kim Chiu. Stop natin. Ay, ano to? Hindi ka. Si Kim Chiu. Kim Chiu. Tingnan natin si Kim Chiu kung ano yung mga namin ni Kim Chiu. Ito. Ay, nasa MOA siya. Nasa MOA pala siya. Nag-live siya, oh. Ganda ni Kim. Hello.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Thank you
Kim.
so much sa pagpunta. Kim, your fans have been here since early morning. Sarado pang mall. Nakita ko sila with the posters. Yes, hello. Yes, oo nga. Kaya maraming salamat po for coming this early to support Fairfix and also me. Maraming salamat, everyone. Kim, so proud to be officially opening with Fairfix.
Ganda ni Kim. My God. Hindi mo kaya.
Watson's partner, and of course, I'll be staying here beside Kim Chiu for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Ganda ni Kim, ah. Wala ba si Pao dito? Asa na ba si Pao? Nagtatago na naman si Pao. Asa si Pao?
Mata sundin konti, ma'am. Pasunod na lang po. Mata sundin tayo, ma'am. Ganito, ma'am.
We welcome the photographers, media friends to take the official photo before the ribbon cutting.
Before the ribbon cutting. Atake.
Mga fans of Kim Chiu, I would like to hear you shout for her name.
Ay, grabe. Grabe yung sigawan.
For the official
Ganda ni Kim, no?
count in 3, 2, 1, okay?
Ganda talaga ni Kim. Softer.
Pasunod na lang po. Atras konti.
Okay. Sabay-sabay tayo with our official photographers, media press, ready your camera. In 3, 2, 1.
Ay.
Congratulations, the Fairfix Staircase in Tabat is now officially open here at SM Mall of Asia.
Ganda ni Kim. I cannot.
Another photo op with the team. photo with this team here. Emma Watson's team. Yes, calling the Watson's team for a photo op with Miss Team.
You could never. Asa na si Paolo? Diba? Ang babaeng walang kapaguran. Charis! Ah, diba? Tabango sa umaga, servisyo sa gabi kay Paolo. Ladies and gentlemen, Kim Chu. Charis! Charis! Tama ba yun? Tama ba yun, Rev? Diba? Tama ba yun?
Thank you so much to the whole Watson's team. Kim, nice to see you this morning, blooming in red. Ganda mo as
Bagay talaga sa kanya ang red. Bagay talaga kay ano, red.
Somewhere, please come back. It's okay, share tayo ng mic for now.
Ay, sana all.
Today, official pop-up of Fairfix. Here I'll come to share the area, and if you'd like to check out, we've got a hair styling session. It's a new product.
Ay, may mga ganyang etches pa siya.
Area, the styling area, and of course the hair color station. And of
Hair
course,
color
also
station.
about Fairfix, I would like to call on
Sipag talaga ni Kim.
wonderful celebrity hairstylist who now share to us how to use his favorite Fairfix products. Let's all welcome celebrity hairstylist Rex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone. Hi Kim, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Hello, time no see, grabe.
So may question ako sa'yo.
Ay, ano. Bookingan question.
Anong favorite mo na hairstyle?
My favorite
Ah.
hairstyle, I love long hair talaga.
Okay.
Rare nyo lang talaga ako makikita ng short hair. And I love
Pero
curly
gusto ko
my
sa kanya yung short hair, no?
Talaga nakaka-pretty talaga kapag curly hair ka.
Gusto ko talaga sa kanya yung short hair eh.
Super, I love.
Yung parang hindi ikaw yun pag hindi curly.
Yeah. I know.
Parang talaga.
I know.
Pero
Anyways, ituloy natin yan. This is Kim Vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye!